The Air Jordan 4 Retro Lightnings, you guys, at a yard sale, just sitting there in the $2 section.
Morning.
Where my glasses at? Cause I
Good.
showed
Am I
didn't
too
see them
early?
right away.
No, come on in.
All right. Appreciate it.
How you doing?
Good. And yourself?
I'm good. We're just
Okay.
kind of getting set up. But if you're
Okay.
interested in what you
Okay.
need, whatever you need, I got.
Okay. I'll check it out and see what y'all
Okay.
looking at.
So I'm just now walking in, and I didn't see the Jordans right away. But check this clip out a little bit later.
That's the $2 section over there.
The Jordans are $2 too?
That says make me an offer.
You're a businesswoman, okay? I like it.
How much did you want for those though? I was wondering.
Make sure you guys stay tuned because things are about to get interesting. What's going on, everybody? So it's me here again doing a voiceover once again. Now, believe it or not, you guys, a little backstory to this yard sale. This is my very first time deciding, like, you know what? I'm about to be the early bird at the yard sale. I'm gonna be there first. In fact, I'm gonna go before they actually said that the yard sale started. And so that's what I did, and that's why when I came in, I asked, like, was I too early? So they did not mind me coming early. So I will be doing this more often, showing up to yard sales that I feel are genuine yard sales from people that are just selling their own stuff. And I always try to filter out yard sales that seem like it's a reseller selling their death pile, their junk, their bad stuff, the stuff that they just didn't want to list, which is usually junk for high prices. I can't stand those kind of yard sales. So here I am, early, first one there. Still, could y'all believe I still didn't see the Jordans? Like this whole freaking time. I do got a decent little pile of stuff there though. And I don't know why I got the Coach. I really felt like I could have done without the Coach shoes. But the Air Force Ones and those other black Nikes was legit. And actually, I picked up that Ivy Park hat, and that's sold on Poshmark. And yep, it's just crazy when you look at your own footage at a yard sale and you see the stuff that you missed, and it's like, dang, what was I doing? Well, it just be so much going on, and then I got the camera on, and that kind of makes me nervous because nobody has said anything about the camera. I ain't said nothing about the camera, and I feel like they always obviously see it. So if anybody's thinking about making videos, just know that recording does kind of throw your game off a little bit. Just keep that in mind, and please hit the like button with that in mind.
What's up? Man, I haven't seen you so long. Everything good?
Me and Mackenzie.
I just heard that.
Did you? Oh, yeah. I love it. Yeah? Yeah, I'm ready. Let's do it. So what we're trying to do, I just trying to get everything because it was out last night. We just trying to get it also so everybody can see it.
Okay. So you want to like put it like in sections? Or
Yeah, put it in sections where it's visible. It's visible to the public.
Gotcha.
Yeah. Yeah. This is our first customer.
Oh, okay.
Good morning. How you doing?
man?
It's all good.
Nice to meet you.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so just help Melissa get it together. Kind of show him what we got, Melissa. Huh? Right here, it's the backyard.
Oh, he got the
Come on in.
Stop acting like you don't know, JT.
You family, let's
Yeah,
go.
stop acting like you don't know.
three hanging around up here trying to get the yard sale. Yeah, I'm scared of it. I'm scared of it.
Not you worry.
The one from last night. You're hanging there. But you know what? This is what I got stuff in the garage that I didn't want to take out because it's just so big. But I'm gonna open this up too.
I bought it.
I have one of them. I'm keeping that one.
So you guys, right here I'm basically doing kind of like that game you see sometimes on social media where you see two different pictures and it's basically asking you to figure out what do you see different. So that's what I'm doing. I'm legit checking the shoes, trying to make sure that these match exactly the authenticity guarantee shoes that's already passed on eBay.
But it's okay. It's all good. You need a fire?
Brian.
A fire pit?
On the muscle for the next burn up barbecue.
Oh.
Like that. That's like that.
But you want like this?
Portable AC?
When people come through, they can like walk through.
Expose that portable AC so people can see that.
Oh yeah. Somebody might want to.
Yeah.
You know, just like when they come like that, so it can give it like a view of it. Are you putting stuff on the line?
No.
No? I'll be
Oh.
there.
No, that doesn't matter. That won't
I was telling Melissa, you can put like these chairs over here.
You feel something?
Okay, so we're gonna put them over there?
Yeah, that's fine. So I want to expose like the Christmas stuff too, for sure.
I have a laptop here.
You just need a charger.
And a laptop.
But you know what?
The chargers
I didn't take all the stuff off. Oh, that's like that's the QZ
You
stuff.
might want to do that first.
You gotta do that.
I don't know what you want. Let me put that back.
Yeah, I can help you with that.
Yeah, you can clean that out.
Yeah.
Okay.
This bag right here, I found this bag and it has camera gear in it. I'm no expert on camera gear, but I do know how to look these up. So usually the lenses will tell you the make and the model, I guess you could say, on the very front part of the lens that you look out of. And then like that camera was like a Canon XG11. So you just type that in on eBay and you can see what those go for. And so that's what I was doing right here while I was thinking about if I wanted to take a chance on the Jordans, and really just kind of just trying to think how much do I actually want to offer her, because she wants to be made an offer. So none of those lenses turned out to be worth much money. The lenses, that's like a JCPenney lens or Macy's lens, and it was going for like $20 at the most plus shipping. The camera actually did actually sell. I might as well tell y'all, I did pick this up and the camera has sold for about 50 bucks, but she wanted 50 bucks for the whole entire thing. So at this point, either she was going to give me a better deal or I was probably going to pass on this deal, if not.
Come on. You gotta make it look right. Come on.
Sir, yes, sir. Sir, yes, sir. Okay. I got it.
You're trying to make money out here.
share my knowledge, right?
Okay. Oh, baby, can you let me what you got?
I got a knowledge right there.
Are you sure? Okay. Okay. He said he got one. He told me to get one. These some chairs. Oh. What about all these little small things? Okay. Well, McKinsey, no, that's McKinsey station right there. The that's the $2 section over there.
The Jordans are $2 too?
That says make me an offer. Neighbor.
You're a businesswoman, okay? I like you, I like you.
How much did you want for those though? I was wondering.
Make me an offer.
The seller always has to actually
Let's go 100.
100. Okay, that's a fair price.
Yeah, I see I'm rubbing my legs because the mosquitoes is bugging. But I don't go first on the price. Seller has to go first on the price. She said 100, not bad. Negotiations not over yet. I'm just taking my time.
It'll have a thing.
A brace.
Like a brace, yeah.
It's crazy to see a lot of the stuff that they were doing in the video I don't remember, and that just shows you like when you're at these yard sales and you're looking for deals, it's so much going on, and so it kind of really is a steal. I just wanted to point that out. You got to be focused on what you're doing and, you know, trying to make money, find the profitable items. This guy that's about to ask for the chairs, somebody please tell me, where does that accent come from?
These chairs right here, you got 5 of them. How much you gonna get in that? 5 for 20?
Okay, gone now. Hey, Erica.
Right over, right over.
I was telling your husband about this
Let's do that first. Let's take pictures and put them on the bed.
Oh, we don't forget about the garbage.
With it being hot right now, people might be.
I'm gonna just take these items.
20 bucks. 20 bucks.
Okay.
You good? You want those Jordan?
I don't want to pay 100 for them. I know they worth what they worth, but I'm always nervous about Jordans like that being fake.
Oh,
So
okay.
I don't know. I don't know. I can't tell if they're real.
What about that camera? I saw you looking at it.
Um,
Want to make me an offer?
you asked for 50,
How about 20?
20. Okay, I could do 20. Okay. What's the lowest you can do on the Jordans?
75?
75. I'll let somebody grab them. You should be
Okay.
able to get 100.
Yeah.
Cause yeah,
Okay.
you should be able to
You want a
get
bag?
100 or more than that.
I can go in the house and get your bag.
No, I'm fine.
No?
I'll
You
just
good?
carry it out.
Thank
Maybe
you so
just start a little higher than 100 on those.
Okay.
Unless it starts getting late, you know,
Yeah. and
until
then-
at least until like
adjust the
10
price.
5. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. That's good to
Alright.
know. I'm about to my daughter.
Probably like 150.
Yeah,
It's
but I told
online.
my
They're
daughter,
going
but
for
she
almost like
tripping.
300.
Is it?
Yeah.
I'm tripping. I'm not gonna wear them, so I really don't care.
They don't have like the actual Jordan box.
No, because she threw it away.
Okay. Okay.
I got a defiant 15-year-old wearing her sleeping while we out here working.
Sleeping while y'all working.
There you go.
She in there listening. She just listening,
Right.
laying in the bed listening.
Right.
All right now.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay.
Oh, I didn't even get the
Oh, we got no bag, huh? Oh, your camera.
camera bag. You could just slide it on my arm. Thank you.
Okay, you're welcome. You got it?
Yeah. Appreciate it. Thank you. Promise I don't need a bag. I got it. Thank you. Yes. Appreciate it.
So she went down on her price to 75. I kind of talked too much, telling her what they were for whatever, but I could not stop thinking about the Jordans, right? I'm like, man, if those are legit, that is a good deal. I could triple, quadruple that $75. I'm like, man, I gotta really sit down and figure out if those Jordans are legit. So I went on ahead into the car and I got on the YouTube and I started trying to Google like how can I legit check those Jordans, and then I went back.
I'll permit you to take it. That's my.
I just wanted to look at the shoes again.
Go for it.
Yeah, that's what it is.
Okay, thank you.
So while I was in the car, I was watching a video about how to authenticate these, and basically the guy had a fake pair and a real pair. And one thing that I thought would be a definitive way to tell was based on this. And based on the way the back of it looked, I decided that I think these are fake, because on the real pair, the back of that little plastic shoe shaper cardboard insert thingy was like smooth, and the indentations on the front were still visible on the bottom. And none of that was visible on this pair. And then on top of that, that box that they're in is like straight from China, and then they're in a bag with the label on it. And I was just like, I have never in my life seen a legit pair of Jordans that came in a bag with a label on it like that. And I'm not in a position to say like I feel like these were 100% fake, but I had seen enough to feel like I wasn't taking a risk on these. And so the $2 pair of Jordans was actually most likely a fake, a really good fake, but you know, I can't sell
Those
fakes,
are some nice
period.
bikes
So
over there. I said those are some nice bikes they got over
pass
there.
on those, took a final look around, and then I bounced, which means I left.
Can't beat that. Yeah. y'all gotta be ready.
I'm okay for now.
You want some water?
No, I'm okay. I'm okay. Yeah. Thank you though.
Okay, you're welcome.
Appreciate the deal and good luck today. All right. Okay. You too.